Hello everyone, good morning. This is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous exercise. So let's start question number 4. A shopkeeper charged rupees 1242 for a fan which includes an 8% GST on it. Okay students, find the selling price without tax of the fan. Okay student, that means एक shopkeeper है जो एक फ़ैन को परचेज करता है एंड स्टूडेंट्स उसका चार्ज क्या है 1242. इसमें इंक्लूड है 8% GST. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स आपको सेलिंग प्राइस बताना है उस फ़ैन का टैक्स से विदाउट, दैट मीन्स बिना टैक्स के. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द फैन be X. Okay students? Okay, now student CP is here 1242 rupees. Is that clear? Students, according to question, here selling price that will be X. Okay students, and 8% GST on it, that means 8% of SP, that will be X and is equal to 1242. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दैट मीन्स सेलिंग प्राइस जो है उस पर 8% GST भी है, तब वो किसके इक्वल हो जाता है? इसके इक्वल. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ x that will be, and here 8%, that means 8 into x upon 100 is equal to 1242. Here x plus 8x upon 100 is equal to, is that clear? So students, here that will be 108x upon 100 is equal to 1242. Okay students, हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया है? LCM. Okay students, 100 into x and then 8, that means 108x upon 100 is equal to 1242. Okay students, here the value of x that will be 1242 into 100 upon 108. Is that clear? Okay, now we will calculate it. Yes students, here 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Okay students, and now 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Is that clear? Now we can calculate one more time by 3. Okay students, 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. And now 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Is that clear? Students, one more time. That will be 3 6 are 18 and students 3 6 are 18 and 3 9s are 27. Okay students, one more time. 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay students, so we have x is equal to 23 into 100 upon 2. So students, one more time we will calculate it. 2 5s are 10 and 0. So that means we have 23 into 50. Okay students, so here x is equal to 10 here. 5 3s are 15 and then 5 2s are 10, then 1 11. Okay students, so 1150. Okay students, that means that is the selling price of the fan. Is that clear? Okay student, hence the selling price of the fan that will be rupees 1150. Okay students, is that clear? Okay, that is your answer. Now the next question is question number 5. Ashim purchased a scooter with a marked price of rupees 72,000 at a discount of 8%. If 10% GST is charged, find the net amount Ashim had to pay to purchase the scooter. Okay student, that means Ashim एक स्कूटर को परचेज करता है जिसका मार्क प्राइस है 72,000. उस पर डिस्काउंट भी है 8%. इज दैट क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर उस पर 10% GST चार्ज है तो आपको उसकी नेट अमाउंट बतानी है जो आशिम को उस स्कूटर को परचेज करने के लिए पे करनी होगी. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो हेयर मार्क प्राइस इज हेयर. Yes, that will be 72,000. Okay students, and here discount, that is, yes, 8%. Is that clear students? And GST is given 10%. Okay students, here we have to find the net amount Ashim had to pay to purchase the scooter. That means उसे स्कूटर को परचेज करने के लिए जो उसे अमाउंट पे करनी होगी वो हमें फाइंड करनी है. दैट मीन्स CP. Is that clear? So students, first of all we have discount percentage, so we will use this formula here. Is that clear? Okay, so that means discount percentage here, that means discount upon MP into 100. Okay students, we can find what is the discount, okay, in rupees. स्टूडेंट्स क्योंकि ये परसेंटेज में गिवन है, हमें सिंपल वे में फाइंड करनी है. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज दैट विल बी 8 एंड वी डोंट हैव डिस्काउंट इन रुपीज एंड अपॉन MP that means 72,000 into 100. Okay students, so here discount will be, yes students, that will be 20 cancel here. Is that clear? So we have 8 into 720. Okay students, so 10 here and that is 8 2 is 16 and 8 7 is 56 and then 157. So students, जो यहाँ पर डिस्काउंट है वो कितने रुपीज़ का है? 5760. Is that clear? So student, that is the discount. Okay students, we have discount and we have mark price, so we have to find the selling price. Is that clear? So students, here what is the selling price? Student, selling price that means mark price minus discount. Okay, so students, here mark price is 72,000 and discount will be here 5760. So that means 10 minus 6 that is 4 and 9 minus 7 that is 2 and students 1, that means 11 minus 5 that is 6 and student that will be also 6. Okay students, so that is the selling price of the scooter. Is that clear? So students, अब बताना है कि उसका cost price कितना होगा अगर उस पर 10% GST हो. Is that clear? So student, cost price is here, yes 10% GST है, that means 100 का 10% तो GST है and of rupees selling price पर GST होती है, so that means 66240. Is that clear? स्टूडेंट GST है, सो हम ऐड करते हैं. आपको पता है GST जो होती है दैट मीन्स जो टैक्स होता है वो उस पर कुछ ऐड होता है अमाउंट. ओके स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट दैट इज 110% ऑफ 66240. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो हेयर 110 and replace percentage by 100 and into 66420. Okay students, here 10 cancel by this 10 and this 1 cancel by this. Okay students, so here 11 into 6624. Okay students, here we will multiply here 72864. That means 72,864. That is the cost price to pay this scooter. Is that clear? Okay, so students, hence net amount to pay to purchase the scooter rupees 72,864. Okay students, so this is your answer. Okay students, now the next question is question number 6. Find a single discount equivalent to the successive discount of 20% and 5%. Okay students, so that means आपको एक single discount बताना है जो इन दोनों discount के equivalent हो. Okay students, so one formula is there to find the equivalent discount. Use formula equivalent discount. Yes, that will be A plus B and minus AB upon 100, where A is, yes, first discount. Okay students, and B is second discount. Is that clear? Okay, so we will put the value of A and B. Here first discount, yes, that will be 20% and here second discount, that will be 5%. Okay, so students, that is the formula. So equivalent discount, that will be A plus B, that means 20 plus 5 minus 20 into 5 upon 100. Is that clear? So that is 25, and students minus 25 is a 100 and 5 ones are 5. So students 25 minus 1, that is 24%. Is that clear? So student, that is the equivalent distance. Okay students. So hence equivalent discount, that will be 24%. Okay, so that is your answer. Is that clear? Okay, so now that's all for today. And students, if you have any doubt in any questions, you can contact or message to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.